In iOS 18, one of the standout feature is the eye tracking capability, which allows you to control iPhone using your eyes. Let's see how you can enable and disable eye tracking. First, make sure you're up to date with iOS 18. Now for enable this feature, we have to jump over settings. Scroll down, tap accessibility. Here you see this new eye tracking feature. Whenever you try to go it on, you have to keep into your face and you have to follow this circle by their direction. It may take some time. You see your eye tracking feature is going well. You can also using touch feature at the same time. Now if you want to disable this, you have to back to the same place. To go it off, you see your eye tracking feature is disabled. Hope you enjoyed this feature. Thanks for watching.